welcome to my humble abode. I'm going to read you a poem called How to Talk About the Weather in a Gas Station in Nevada. Say it's warm, but not too warm. Say it's a dry heat. Say you can feel your demons exercising themselves from the bottom of your feet, burning on the pavement. That'll brighten any day. Say the sun feels like it's on cocaine. It's always awake. Does it ever get cold in Nevada? Let them say yes. Let them tell you about midnight when lizards crawl beneath rocks to hide. Let them tell you how nice a fire feels when the sun goes down. Make a joke about the locals who crave fire in the sky and in a whiskey glass. Comment on the cacti, the miles of dirt and dust, how nothing rusts in the desert, how you went off-roading once when Google Maps took you on a shortcut to avoid the traffic from LA. The air is cooler by the coast, but Nevada has the vices, the guns and smoke. There is no place on earth as warm and mad and sad all at once, and the cacti look like question marks dotting the empty desert page. The earth in Nevada is like a poem, you could say. And even though the bottom of your shoes are melting into asphalt and the air is miraging and the gas station smells like sweat and beer, you could say you feel at home here in the vast hot nothingness, where lovers run to get married on the strip, where lawns are dotted with rocks instead of grass, where the overpasses make portraits in the sky, where the night inspires life and the daytime feels like a daydream. Yeah, man, it's warm, but it's not so bad. More of a dry heat, you could say. Just wait until nighttime when the stars finally dance. You might ask how many stars there are. Let's say 1 billion. Let's notice how nice it is to see a burning thing that doesn't singe our skin. Sure, it's warm, but we're floating on a boulder in infinite everything, and there's a little girl with pink Mary Janes and chocolate on her face who doesn't notice the heat because she's living in the daydream of the desert. She knows to ask the cacti for correct punctuation. She knows where the lizards go to sleep at night. She knows that if the stars are burning, then nothing can hurt quite as bad as it could. This life is so big, it's astounding. And the fact that we're here making pleasant conversation is a testament to us. The thermometer outside has been broken for weeks. Maybe it's the heat, you could say. So hot it burned up the mercury. So stale the air crinkles like tissue paper and skin turns red as an ember. Say it's warm, but not too warm. A dry heat at the very least.